You know that many people today are interested in growing vegetables or growing different types of flowers in their garden. You know, due to COVID epidemic situation, many people are accustomed to doing this, either planting vegetables or flowers. But many of them live in small houses and do not have the space to do this because they do not have a backyard. Even in the limited space of their home, they had planted a variety of flowers in their home or planted particularly beautiful flowers to enhance the interior decoration of their home. To keep the interior decoration of your home, you can consider adding plants to your home. Or you may look for potted greenery to add a spot of color to your living area. Whatever it is, you will be happy to know that some indoor plants give us more beautiful colors and fragrances than we can enjoy. Plants also provide health benefits to humans, and some of those benefits may surprise you. So, if you want to get health benefits from anything you grow in your area or home, you need to know exactly what kind of plants are providing those benefits. Adding the right indoor plant to your home can bring a lot of benefits to your interior beauty as well as your health. Adding the right indoor plant to your home can bring a lot of benefits to your interior beauty as well as your health. In today's video, I will show you some of those houseplants and will explain a little about the benefit they give us. Let's see some of the most easily found indoor plants for health benefits. Jasmine plants. Jasmine plants have small, pretty white flowers. They give off a sweet scent that is often used in its essential oil form for relaxation. The scent of this jasmine flower helps to reduce anxiety levels and improve sleep quality. Jasmine plants are quite easy to keep in a pot and look great in bedrooms. To grow this plant properly, place it on your windowsill and water it regularly during flowering. The surface soil can be allowed to dry slightly during non-flowering season to avoid excessive watering. Spider plants. These plants are very easy to care for and are great for new plant production. Spider plants need moderate indirect sunlight and occasionally watering, so they are easy to keep alive. Having plants inside your home, the plant lowers blood pressure and helps you feel relaxed, making it the perfect activity to improve your mental health and promote good sleep. Snake plants. The snake plant is a natural air purifier plant. It releases oxygen at night and helps you sleep better. It is also known to remove some harmful chemical from the air. So this is a great plant to have in the bedroom. Peace lily plants. Like the snake plant, peace lilies are also amazing air cleaners. The peace lily is that it can increase room humidity, which is great for breathing while asleep. This plant gives natural good protection for dry skin and hair loss, and it prevents sensitivity to colds and respiratory illnesses and can minimize viruses and germs to thrive. They have beautiful white flowers and need little light and watering just once a week. Aloe vera plants. This medical plant is a great addition to any home. It produces oxygen at night, so like the other plants explained, it will improve the air in your bedroom. Watering is very small as the plant retains moisture in its leaves. The gel on these leaves can be used to treat small cuts and burns, insect bites and dry skin. Keep your aloe vera in a sunny place to ensure your house is healthy. Orchid plants. Orchids are some of the most beautiful house plants and add a touch of elegance to space. They have a reputation for being difficult to look after, but many do well in a house environment and don't need any specialized knowledge or care. A delightful orchid will bloom for months, making it the perfect choice for anyone looking for a colorful plant for their bedroom. The unique looking plants of many orchids will motivate you to see it. Keeping orchids in your bedroom introduces natural beauty into your home, which can help improve your mood, reduce nightmares, and generally make you feel more content. Jade plants. The jade plants provide a better environment for sleep and rest. These plants are famous in Feng Shui method. They say that these jade plants bring life and attract good luck. The jade plant is an excellent bedroom plant as it represents wealth, prosperity, and friendship. Overall, jade plants are still a great addition to your bedroom as they help reduce carbon dioxide at night and increase humidity for a better night's sleep. So I think the introduction of these houseplants, you will be able to better understand what kind of plant best to choose to grow for interior decoration in your home or what you would like to plant. If the video is good, then like it. Share this video for others to see. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell button and select all to enable the notification. Write your thoughts or suggestions about this video. I would love to read your comments to understand how my video absorbs into your life. So please write all those in the comment below. Thanks for watching.